Here is a 1938 Crocker Twin. That is the first of several that we have here.
Urban Hirsch's Crocker at no reserve. 38 small tank. What a beauty. Designed by Al Crocker. Very low production. Considered probably the second most collectible American motorcycle.
$250,000 and going up.
I think we got a long way to go here.
Might be time to hit the edit button on your top 10 list again.
I'd be very surprised if we made 1-3, but hasn't been a Crocker sold since 2019. This is definitely going to sell. If we get over 500,000, yep,
close.
It'll be in our top 10.
Only around 200 Crockers ever built, right?
Well, that's a bone of contention.
Okay, that's why I ask you. You're the expert.
It's a big mystery, and I've been digging into it just of late. I've had a look at some archives. I've been copying a lot of archives, and we'll see what comes of that. But I'm very, very curious to find out what the true story is behind Crocker motorcycles.
600,000 and beyond.
Yeah, we're definitely in top 10 price here. Top 10 most expensive motorcycles ever sold in the world at auction. We pushed over 700,000. 725.
What was it and what is it that so many people loved about these Crocker twins?
There was nothing radical about them. It's just a V-twin with a nice overhead valve engine. Harley Davidson produced one. Knucklehead, but the Crocker was a lot faster, a lot lighter, and it was styled even better. Al Crocker took his cues from the customizers of the day that produced cut downs and bob jobs.
Wow.
And right now, this is the most expensive Crocker ever sold at auction. We're already over $800,000.
845,000 of it. Anybody else? 825. Let's go. Now at 825. Sold 800,000.
There it is. Another record at Mecum Las Vegas. $800,000.
Amazing.
30 pound out of bed. 30 pound out of bed. 10 pound out of 12 pound out of bed. 10, 12 pound out of bed.